Hey guys, so I have just assigned you your second lesson on Khan Academy. And I'm going to do a quick example of how to do the problems that have been assigned. All right, so here's the question. Which ordered pair is a solution of the equation? All right, when you first read this question, it may be a little bit hard to understand what it's asking. So what we want to do is we want to break down the question and, focus on what it is that we do know. I will start with ordered pair. We know what an ordered pair is. An ordered pair is a set of coordinates that we graph, okay? Also, remember that in an ordered pair, the first term is your x and the second number is your y, okay? So that means for this ordered pair, our x is 2 and our y is 5. For this ordered pair, our x is 4 and our y is 6. And then for c, it's just repeating the same ordered pairs from here. Okay, so we know what an ordered pair is. The second thing that we recognize is the word equation. We have seen it plenty of times. Sorry, that's supposed to be underlined, but kind of struggling with this mouse pad here, so forgive me if my work is a little sloppy. Y'all know I write way neater than this. Anyway, so we know what an equation is. An equation is anything with an equal sign. Here is our equation. Negative 3x plus 4y equals 14. Okay, so we know what that is. The term that we may not be so familiar with is the term solution. What is a solution? If I said, you know what, I have a problem and I need a solution. A solution is basically just an answer. It is something that's been solved. It is something that is right. Okay, so now that we know what each of these mean, we can put them together to figure out what the question is asking. The question is asking which ordered pair. So which ordered pair? Is it 2, 5? Is it 4, 6? Is it both? Or is it neither? So which ordered pair is a solution to the equation? So which ordered pair makes this equation true? How do we know? How can we figure that out? We figure that out by taking our ordered pairs and plugging them or putting them into our equation. Now you want to say, how do we put an ordered pair into an equation? We do that by taking the x value and putting it where we see x, and then by taking the y value and putting it where we see y. Okay, so I'm going to test out A, which is 2, 5. I'm going to test that out to see if that is a solution or not. Give me 1 second. All right, so what I've done is I've taken this set of ordered pairs and put it into my equation. So where I saw x, I put a 2. So I did negative 3 times 2. And then where I saw y, I put in a 5. So I did 4 times 5. Okay, and then so now I just want to solve. That means I'm taking my negative 3 and multiplying it by 2, which would give me negative 6. Then I'm bringing down my plus sign. Okay, then I'm doing 4 times 5, which is 20. Okay, then I'm bringing down my equal sign. Why? Because this is an equation. And then I'm bringing down 14. Okay. Then I want to simplify this even more. Negative 6 plus 20 would give us positive 14. Then I want to bring my equal sign again. Then I want to bring down this 14. Okay, so now we are left at 14 equals 14. Is that a true statement? Yes. The last time I checked, 14 equals 14. So because this is a true statement, that means that 2, 5 is a solution for this equation. Okay, but we are not done. You don't want to just say, hey, because this works, A must be the answer. We have to test out 4, 6 as well to make sure that that is not a solution, or maybe it is a solution. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. And by testing it out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 and substitute it for x, and I'm going to take 6 and substitute it for y. All right, so I went ahead and I substituted 4 and 6 for x and y, and I have it here. So I took my 4 and I put it in for x, and then I took my 6 and I put it in for y. So then now I'm going to solve this equation. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Okay. Then I'm bringing down my plus sign, and then I'm going to do 4 times 6, which is 24. Then I'm going to bring down my 14 on this side. So then I'm going to solve. What's negative 12 times 24? I'm sorry, not times. Negative 12 plus 24. That is positive 12. Positive 12. I'm going to bring down my equals, bring down my 14. Okay, so here we have 12 equals 14. Now, the last time I checked, 12 does not equal 14. At least not in the universe that I live in. Okay, so that's a false statement. Because 12 does not equal 14, that means 4, 6, what we started with, is not a solution because it gives us a false statement. So, true statement, solution. False statement, not a solution. Okay, so because only 2, 5 works, C can't be an answer because C says it's both. And then obviously neither is false as well. So our answer is A. Okay, our answer is 2, 5 as our solution. So we're going to check our work. Yay, we got it right. Good job. Okay, so I love this Khan Academy because it kind of it explains to you. You know, it gives you like a breakdown of why an answer is correct or incorrect. So it gives you awesome feedback. Please take advantage of these videos. They are very helpful. Anyway, if you have any further questions, please reach me on Remind. You know how to contact me. Go to my blog for all the info. All right. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.